Hey traders, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to look at Euro USD analysis because this is coming close to the end of the movement and it is getting also very interesting, and we have also to be careful here. During the previous time that I shared, it was on this point where you can see this was the last published that I shared. It was one in this area here and another one was somewhere here where the price was before the opening of the market. On this key resistance zone, we may see that the price faced very strong resistance. I was looking at for this price reaction near the same zone, but it was also not so clear during that moment. This is what we are looking at in this area. Price reacted close to 1.09 and it moved down as expected. So what we may expect on these conditions? After the price came close to this support 1.07, the chances were showing that we had the possibilities for a bearish movement and a bullish movement as well. During this week, the volume increased significantly and we may see a breakdown from the structure as it did before, like this one here. The price moved down and this is increasing the chances that the price may move down again. On the previous zone, we had sellers that pushed the price down. Even if the price will come up, we may see the sellers again to push the price down from 1.0760 approximately. However, what we have to be very careful in these conditions is that despite the fact that the price is still bearish and it may continue to the next zone that we are looking at before, this is also getting very risky at this moment. So the price is showing that the downside could be limited. The first limited downside will be after 60 pips. So this is the maximum that the price may move down. The reason that I'm looking at in this way is because if we are going to move on a weekly time frame, it will get very interesting. Look at what I found at this point. We are going to look at the very strong support areas. This is the first one, very old and very strong area. After the price came close to this structure of support, we saw a very big movement. However, we are not going to anticipate big movement so far, so we have to be conservative with those moves. We are looking at also for possible areas of support, and look at what we can see also with these other areas here. It is getting very interesting because, as you may see, it's clearer right now. We have also the structure zone, that is the second zone of support, that is showing that the price may stop in this area as it did before. But on the other hand, we don't have only the current structure that we are looking at as a maximum structure support, but we have also the weekly structure that is coming from the left side. So this is increasing the chances that the price may face a very strong support close to 1.05, 1.0520. So this is a strong area here. That is why we have to be careful. And also 1.05 is a very strong psychological zone as well. So all the market will have the eyes on this key support area here. It will be very important. And what we can see in this moment is that on the daily chart, the price is very close to the first support zone. That is why we have to be careful, because usually the price finds very strong buying pressure from below. This is the first one, and if the price will find the right bearish momentum to break through the first zone and to test the second one, the maximum movement that we may have will be up to 170 pips. That is why we have to be very careful with the sales, because the downside could be limited at this point. we may see the price coming close to the first zone. It looks like it may move down further, but it may create something here and it can begin the bullish movement, or probably we may see also any V-shaped reversal that can push the price up aggressively here. However, this is for the first zone, but it can happen the same with the second zone as well. Any V-shaped reversal or any big reversal with any big reversal pattern as well. So this is all for Euro USD. I hope you found this analysis useful. Please don't forget to hit the like button and follow. Bye bye.